What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio with Constrictors in the building again. Coming to y'all from the rat shed out here, man. Quick unboxing video. I forgot I ain't do no intro, so I'm gonna do one right now. Awesome pickup. Big shout out to whole crew over at CV Exotics, making sure it got here safe. Quick time, you know what I'm saying, since we had a nice little break in the weather. It's like 60 degrees out there right now in the middle of December in Wisconsin, so it's a blessing. I'm gonna let y'all check it out, man. Do this unboxing real quick. But before we get into that, y'all know what time it is, man. Hit that intro. In here. So yeah, man, that's it. Super happy about that dude, man. Can't wait till he get a little size on him, man. Get him in these projects. I got a clown girl growing up, a yellow belly girl who should be ready by the time he ready. I want to get that super lace yellow belly, man. That's one of my favorite snakes that's ever been produced. So I'm gonna keep grinding towards that. That being said, appreciate y'all for stopping through, hollering at your boy, man, checking me out. Don't forget to do all the things, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell and all that. See y'all on the next one, man. Till the next time. Peace.